In this video, we're going to run through a lesson from our Learn to Code course kit. We've chosen Lesson 3 from 5th grade called Stop the Minion. This lesson is aligned to the computer science objective, create programs that include sequences, events, loops, and conditionals from CSTA 1B-AP-10. We will show you how this objective is unpacked throughout the lesson. Each lesson is structured into 3 sections: learn, do, and reflect. Students are first introduced to the key learning. They then put concepts into practice using hardware and software. First through Let's Build, a worked example, then in the challenge, which has a debug element. Open-ended extensions are provided in the form of differentiated chili challenges. Finally, there is an opportunity to record and reflect on learning. The warm-up kicks off the lesson, introducing a new computing concept through key information and a linked unplugged activity. The unplugged activity often refers the teacher to an offline approach to delivering the key concept. The lesson slides present the key points and an activity for students. The mini lesson builds on the learning from the warm-up, consolidating computing knowledge for students with additional information. The mini lesson also includes an unplugged activity. 5 activity formats are used in total. They are compare and contrast, best fit, matching pairs, follow the flow, and break it down. The student mission journal provides opportunity to document learning from the unplugged activity. Multiple choice questions check student understanding following the mini lesson, and a quick reflection generates topic-based discussion. Quick reflections are placed at intervals throughout the lesson. The do section begins with the worked example, Let's Build. This can be delivered as a teacher-led segment to start the program build. Often the Let's Build program is then built on in the challenge. The lesson slides guide students through step-by-step creation of the program. Before the challenge, students are presented with a mission that Sam has received. They are also asked to think about the program they created in Let's Build and determine how to adapt or develop it into a final program in order to solve Sam's mission. Students can complete the planning section of the mission journal to plan their program. This activity has 2 formats: pseudocode and flowcharts, which start in 4th grade as a fill in the blank and progresses to a fully independent planning in 8th grade. In the challenge, students take the knowledge they have gained in Let's Build, together with their planning, and apply them to create their final program. The lesson slides can be followed to see the step-by-step solution, accompanied by the printable step-by-step. This added support resource allows you to determine an approach appropriate for your students. Next up is a debug, which gives students a chance to test their program and find and fix any errors that have appeared. These errors are either deliberately placed in to aid debugging skills or may be discovered following students' own testing. Once students have successfully debugged their program, they're offered a menu of open-ended chili challenges to develop or enhance their program. The number of chilies determines the complexity of the challenge. The lesson is pulled together at the end in the Reflect section. Students complete the activities in the mission journal, which allow them to reflect on the challenge they have completed. Students are asked to document key aspects of their program, including thinking about how the final program could be developed further. Now you know how the Learn to Code lessons flow. Head over to the Content Hub to download the lessons for your grade level. For guidance on how to access the content, take a look at our video, How Do I Access Lesson Content?